Hello everybody, it's Dakota here, and welcome back to Heavy Rain.
The most depressing game of the century!
Yeah!
Yeah.
We're eating. We
Num
got
num grilled cheese!
We got grilled cheese and tomato soup.
And I have homemade vegetable.
Yeah.
Because his family feeds me.
Ugh.
I really wish I could come by tomorrow, after I donate blood, and just see how funny it would be.
Ask your mom if you can, and we'll see if you can.
We'll just like,
Charles, coach here.
Probably grouchy.
Probably. Okay, we're donating blood.
Yeah! If my mom lets me.
Possibly.
Yeah, if my mom lets me. You are though, right?
I am. Yeah, hang on.
Happy world of Haribo.
Kids and grown-ups love it so. Happy world of Haribo.
God damn it, Nappa. Look, Vegeta, the locals.
That, there's this, might hold your hair a little better.
This works. Those don't hold my hair, but thank you.
They're pretty good. You just have to run them a couple times.
Yeah. I'll never be able to get it out. Thank you, though. Very much appreciated. Very
Okay, 3, 2, and we're back.
God damn it,
What was that?
I don't know. Fake.
Clement. By the way, this is a French game.
Oh, well, why is it in English?
Because translation.
Then why are the title or the what are they called? Credits in English.
Translation. The director of this is David Cage, who actually was called out on something pretty recently. In the game Beyond Two Souls.
Love that game.
Well, the story is awesome, but the game itself is sucky. But anyway,
I haven't finished it, so I don't know.
He unauthorized made a completely full nude model of Ellen Page without her permission. I think it was David Cage. Pretty sure it was David Cage. I think that's his
Oh yeah,
name.
because that's the girl that voiced what's her name?
Yeah.
2 years later.
Beard!
Beard.
Zip up your fucking coat.
Crying.
Because school.
I think it's just the rain.
Because school.
Granted.
And here's his only remaining son. Because his other son died.
My dad.
So his other son is
Which
now...
one was the birthday boy?
Jason.
Oh.
Jason!
Press X
The one
to
who
Jason.
died.
I know that.
Press X to Jason. Press X to Sean!
Sean.
That's a minor spoiler, but you won't get it until later.
Is the other boy's name Sean?
Yeah, the other boy's name is Sean. Fake coughing to alleviate your coughing. Let's check the mirror. Oh, my depressed son.
I got crumbs.
Ah,
Yeah.
fun. And now to drive.
It's
Beep.
It's 2 years later. Shouldn't it be in the front seat? It looks big enough.
Some people don't do that.
No, I sit in the front seat.
Sitting in the front seat, kicking the back seat. Gotta make my mind up. Which seat do I... Sorry, written and directed by David Cage.
What
it
was that
was
song from? I know that.
Friday.
Oh good lord, I hate that song. I knew the. I don't know.
I think it was David Cage that made the fully nude model of Ellen Page. It might have been someone else. Ugh. I don't know what I just did. Nice car.
Did they move?
Yeah, he got divorced.
Oh. How'd he get the kid?
He doesn't.
Oh.
It's just some days, like me and my dad. First things first, we gotta check the mail.
Why didn't one of them keep the big,
His wife probably did, but she probably couldn't afford it on just her salary alone. And he's no longer an architect.
Oh.
Sean! I don't know if he's an architect. He doesn't do his work anymore. Let's check our mail. Bill. Bill. Ethan Mars. Suspicious. Personal letter, huh? What could this say? Time for drama, maybe.
No one ever opens an envelope that easily.
When the parents came home from church, all their children were gone. They searched and called for them, They cried and begged, but it was all to no avail. The children have never been seen again.
Now, this is just me, but if I got that letter, I would call the police.
Yeah, that's what you do.
But he didn't.
Why not?
Because he's stupid. He's Ethan Mars, or whatever his name is. Yeah? Okay, so yeah. Now time to follow a schedule.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later,
I'll sit
okay?
next to him.
All right, I'll come back a little later.
Let's sit with our son.
That creepy smile, though.
And now we watch some French TV. Okay, bye.
I wonder if Code Lyoko will ever come on. I mean, I can dream, right? It was 2011, wasn't that still?
Yeah.
It was still airing then, right?
Yeah, I think so.
When was Cartoon Network?
Can I talk to you? Don't walk away from me!
Jason!
Sean!
And he dies too.
Nah,
Aw.
maybe. I have never beaten this
The
game.
origami killer.
Strikes again. Origami killer strikes again. Seventh victim identified. The police have confirmed that the modus operandi is indeed that of the origami killer. Oh shit.
Oh no. Drop that paper like it's hot.
Drop that beat like an ugly baby.
Oh,
That's a video game title.
Oh my god.
It's a game where you skydive.
Up.
Stuffed bear! I'm just gonna scream everything like that.
Why?
Stuffed bear! Okay, so what time is it?
Dad, house dough.
5:15. Snack! I missed the snack deadline!
You can still eat a snack.
It's a joke.
Oh.
It's a humor.
It's time for your snack. Are you hungry?
I guess, a little.
Let's see what we can find in the kitchen.
Should I give him fruit? Yes.
That's what we have.
I can't juggle. I thought this was the part where you could juggle.
Well,
Maybe that's later. I don't know. Sorry.
It's okay.
I watch Leak Spin a lot.
I don't know what that is.
It's a thing that's from
Here, Sean. Here's your snack.
an
Thanks,
apple.
Dad.
That's an orange.
No, that's an apple.
No.
That's definitely an apple.
Looks like an orange.
It's not an orange. It's an apple.
Okay.
Apples
What
and
kids-
bananas.
What kid is happy?
Homework at 6.
What is... So, why is kids happy to eat healthy food?
Well, it's a snack. He was hungry.
And now suddenly it's 6?
It's not 6 yet.
I know. I was saying that's probably... I don't know.
Talk to me.
Still
all
a
this-
better house than my house.
Yeah, at least they probably have central heating.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait, you have central heating now, don't you?
No.
Oh.
I have a furnace.
Let's see. What can I drink?
Is a furnace central heating?
I'd say so, yeah.
Oh, well, it doesn't. It's
Should I drink beer or orange juice?
orange juice.
To keep that running gag going.
I don't get the... What?
We drank orange juice in the first episode.
Oh, we did?
Straight out of the carton.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Is this what France looks like?
No. It's actually modeled after a city in the United States.
Then why is it a French thing?
Speak up.
Uh,
I don't know. And now it's time for...
food! Oh.
Almost time for homework. Hey, Sean, you
I'm-
wanna...
Time goes fast.
The hell are you doing?
So, you want to talk a little?
Talk about what?
I don't know, about you, your friends, how things are going.
Nothing special.
God, you're depressing. Why'd I even have you?
Aw, that's nice.
I'm
How are things
kidding.
at school? Is your teacher nice?
Just the one
Everything's
teacher.
fine, Dad.
He looks young enough to still have one teacher.
True. He's
What do you
10.
say we play together for a while?
I'd rather watch TV.
Oh, well, fuck you then.
I know, he was so hyper before. Now so tired.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while
It's
longer.
6, dang
We'll
it.
do
I
later,
promised I'd
okay?
do the schedule.
I think we should just get right to it. Then it's done and out of the way. Now, get your bag and get set up in the kitchen. I'll help you.
Time for algebra! Oh wait, I need to turn on the lights. Shazam!
Yes.
What time is dinner?
Bed o'clock. Bed o'clock. Bed is at 8
Bed
o'clock.
o'clock?
Shut up.
Bed at bed o'clock.
Yes.
Speak up,
8
dang it.
o'clock is bedtime. That's kind of stupid.
Well, he's young.
Well, that's
so
my
it makes
bedtime
sense.
because my mom's mean, but you know, still.
Speak up louder.
I just nearly choked to death. My voice is not that good. Eh,
I can't pull you.
I know, I'm fat.
Scooch. You're not fat, I'm just weak.
Oh, shut up. Eh, there, I scooted.
We probably weigh the same thing. It's just that you're shorter than me.
Granted.
I'm,
You're supposed to press a button.
There's no button.
Oh, it says up.
That's to stand up.
Then don't do that. Nah.
And he just snaps back.
No.
Should we shave? Nah.
My phone's very pretty.
Microwave! I said
Mushroom.
mushroom.
I don't
Friendly mushroom!
Maybe it's friendly.
Friendly mushroom!
No, he's like a giant mushroom.
But
Maybe it's friendly.
But then he does the wave. Friendly,
Friendly
mushroom! Come here, giant mushroomy friend!
Dad,
And
I'm
it's
finished.
funny because it's a sad
Can I
part.
go watch TV?
Yeah. Comic relief.
Even though one of the awesomest things that ever was gone. Papa, I love you.
Let me have a look.
We're so quiet.
Me?
Pretty
So
good.
quiet.
Looks like you're done. Off you go.
His face.
That's every kid's face when they're told they can go
Yeah!
play after homework. I wish my homework didn't take.
Yeah!
I wish my homework took that amount of time. Don't you?
It's dinner time. I'd better make something for Sean. Grace has Sean this weekend. Seems like he
Oh, wait,
can't
he
wait
does
to get
have
back
his
to
son.
mother.
Oh.
Come
so
to
it's
think
like,
of it, if he's not asking for anything, it must be because he's not hungry.
Dude, that's not how this works. You feed your son like a good father. A good father who I will never give alcohol to, even though I have the option to.
Drink all the alcohol.
Is it 7?
Do you want me to get your dinner?
Oh yeah, I'm really hungry.
Okay, I'll go
That
see
sounds
what I can
sarcastic.
I know.
I'll call you when it's ready.
Call you on the cell phone.
Excuse me?
Stop it. Pizza! Whatever that is.
Pizza, roasted chicken or leftover pizza.
Roasted chicken.
Yeah, no. I want to show you what happens if you give him pizza.
Aw.
He eats it in a way that you're not used to.
What, does he use a fork?
Yes,
Why?
because that's what people in European countries do most of the time. They eat everything with knife and fork.
Why? It's
Because
pizza.
us Americans are disgusting and think we can use our hands for everything.
Well, I mean chicken nuggets, french fries, pizza,
Again,
sandwiches.
most of them don't have as much fast food as we have.
Oh, that's their problem.
But then again, in like it's either France or Germany, you can get a beer at a McDonald's. I like the running gag. Just one slice of pizza.
Uno slicio of
You can come now, Sean. Your meal is ready.
your meal.
Phone! That music sounds really familiar.
Please play Code Lyoko. I wish to watch it.
Boring!
Just a map.
It's the credit sequence.
Oh.
Nom. Not that weird. I'd eat pizza with, Oh, and let's go basket.
He's not even cutting it. He's like,
Time to... Oh yeah, juggling! Juggling, 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 juggling for my son. I am a god of juggling!
not
Hey,
it.
Dad, I didn't know you could juggle.
I haven't tried it in a long time.
Do you think you could teach me too?
Sure.
A
I'll show you
tender
if you like.
moment with father and son!
Yay! I guess those are apples.
Yeah.
Those look like oranges. They're more.
I should. That's probably improved his relationship with his son a little bit. I feel good about myself.
See, he's not even cutting it. He's like, "Meh."
Ah, tomato soup. I like tomato soup.
I like broth. Like this broth. I don't like the vegetables in it. I just like drinking the broth.
Oh.
Taste my thunder.
Taste my lightning.
Kaboom.
So if I'm lightning and you're thunder, does that mean I come? Shut up. It's from something stupid that I wrote a long time ago. Where's my son? He's gone!
Not again.
Oh.
Shut.
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
I'm not tired yet. Can I stay up a little longer?
With that attitude, you sure can.
All right, we'll wait a little before going to bed. But don't say anything to your mother, okay?
Excuse me. I'm gonna sit here and stare at you.
That's creepy. Pirates.
Pirates!
Arr.
I saw pirate boobs.
Oh yeah. It's magical. That's not creepy at all.
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
I'm not tired yet. Can I stay up a little longer?
He got a very slight accent.
All right, we'll wait a little before going to bed. But don't say anything to your mother, okay?
I'm waiting for him to start coughing.
He starts coughing.
He has a cold, and you'll be able to hear it if you, like... There's, like, moments where he coughs, and then you go give him cold medicine.
Oh.
I think that might have been it.
Yep.
Nope. That's just the TV. What time is it? Let's do 8:30. A little bit later.
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
I'm not tired yet. Can I stay up a
Bullshit,
little
you're laying
longer?
down on the sofa!
Now, that's not very reasonable, is it? You have school tomorrow. You have to get some sleep.
All right, I'm going. Are you coming with me?
Go
Yes.
brush your teeth and put on your pajamas.
That's not how you spell pajamas in America.
Oh, is that
Because we have a weird spelling.
They
We put
don't-
an A instead of a Y.
they spell it differently?
P-Y-J instead of P-A-J.
I don't know. Okay.
Let's pick up a teddy bear!
It's a cute teddy bear.
It's a blue teddy bear! It's Rainbow Dash in teddy bear form.
It looks more like a blue-green color.
Your face looks like a blue-green...
That's not healthy. Like part zombie, part suffocating.
Suffocating zombie!
Yes.
All the lights in a house are on. I don't
It's
know
just
the
that
words
one.
to this song.
It's just that one. Why did he turn on the light?
Because... I didn't
He
earlier.
drowns.
He drowns in his own spit.
That would suck.
Let's go in here.
That room.
Time for depressing moments.
Oh, there's his
Maybe.
architectural stuff.
Yeah, and there's a TV that I could have gone to earlier and showed a VHS tape of his sons playing.
That's depressing.
Yeah, and then he starts crying.
I don't want to
It's
see
one of the
that.
saddest moments in the game.
I'm not watching that.
Bear! With a tie?
Thanks, Dad.
Thanks, Dad.
It's so.
Good night, Sean.
Night.
The bear?
Yeah.
Dad?
What else would it be?
Made
Yeah?
of plastic.
Oh.
I thought you meant his
Why do you
acting.
look so sad?
Oh.
Why do you look so
I
sad?
think I just need some
Man.
time.
It's been
To
2
get
years.
back to the way things were.
You know, Dad, what happened to Jathan wasn't your fault.
Wow, the kid's
Good night,
very
Sean.
intelligent for his age.
Children. He's already half asleep. That does not happen. That is very false.
Well, I mean, it's probably a household where he's used to going to bed at this time, so he's probably already tired.
Well, yeah, but even if it's a time you're used to going to bed, it takes a minute. You lay there, and then you go to bed, not lay down.
And
Don't.
you actually get an achievement for doing that.
Why?
It's follow the schedule and put Sean to bed in a good mood.
Aw.
And here's a drawing.
What's with the rainbows everywhere? That's
Man, fuck you, Sean!
that's a weird drawing.
It's of him and Jason getting hit by the car.
That's lovely.
Man, fuck you, kid. I'm not gonna close his... God damn it, I forgot to close his door. Ah, shit. And...
What's wrong with him now?
Well... This is one of the weirder plot points in the game.
Die.
You're a sick fuck.
It's a video
He
game.
blacked out and left his house. Unconsciously left his house and is now in the middle of freaking nowhere.
How does this work?
Now that happens pretty frequently.
In this game?
No, in real life too. People can unconsciously go to places they don't want to go.
That's weird. It's him.
Who's him?
The origami killer person. It's him.
You wouldn't say that. That's putting all your eggs in one basket. It's
Don't be all mythical.
Well, you can't just... You have to look at all angles of the story, okay?
Alright, fine
Don't-
then. They drugged him and then...
Who drugged him? He goes
The
into
origami
He's
people-
blacking out because of, like, because of trauma in his life.
Okay, well then the people found him and they gave him the origami. I don't know. That's creepy close up. Looking. Yes.
My nose has a pimple. Blech.
Ugh.
Blech.
I have bags.
I have bags.
Fear me.
I am Bagman.
Fear me.
Tuesday. 00.06 a.m. Midnight. Whatever that said. Inches of rain. Hence the title, Heavy Rain! The motel. It's time to go look for a prostitute.
That's...
No, it's because her son was one of the ones who was killed by the origami killer. That's not really a spoiler, that's like the first thing you find out about her.
How?
Because that's what he talks about.
Guess I better take the stairs.
Guess I
Been looking for weeks. Hope I hit pay dirt this time. Men at the desk gotta be able to help.
Lauren Winter. Ring any bells?
Nope, can't say it does.
No. Not gonna pay him money.
You could pay him and get information out of him.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna waste money when I know where she is. Or can he do the thing by process of elimination? I played this part of the game a couple times.
Oh. But how was the kid killed? It was a car.
The main character's son?
Yeah, it was the car, not the origami killer.
No, that's something different.
Okay.
The origami murders didn't happen until Ethan was in his coma.
What?
Which he couldn't have... In my opinion, that means he couldn't have been the killer, because they state outright that he was in a
When
coma.
was he in a coma?
When he was hit by the car!
They didn't say that.
It says it later.
Oh, well, why are you telling me now?
Lauren Winter?
Because you're asking questions!
Sorry, I only see clients by appointment.
Stop!
Wait.
It's $50. I don't kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
Fine by me.
No, you could just say, no, I'm here to ask about your son.
Put your money on the table. You got
Nope,
exactly
I'm
2
gonna
minutes
talk
when
to
the
you
alarm
first.
rings. It's over, okay? You should take your clothes off. We ain't got all day.
Actually, I'm not a customer.
Shit, a cop. I should have known. What you want, a freebie? Is that it?
Wow.
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective.
I'm actually going to stop it here because we've been doing this for 25 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, say bye to the internet.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Oh, God. That's bad.
Yep.
I'll fix that in a second. Bye.
Bye.